Hey, Wayne here, and today I have these new floor mats for my car. As you can see, the old ones, they didn't last too long. I got these on eBay, and after about a month, they started to, all this started to come up, and then a hole started. And I kept them in the car for a lot longer than that, and I shouldn't have. But look, even this ring is gone. This, the Acura logo, it's just a sticker. So I got some new ones that I'm going to show you in more detail later, but these look great, and those logos are not stickers. So that's, I don't know, it's like kind of like plastic right here, and then the letters are just kind of made into it. So pretty neat. The carpet looks really good. They have like a new car smell, which I really like. And I'm going to put these in and then go over a few more details with you. So let's put them in. Perfect. Okay, here goes the driver's side. Fits like a champ. All locked down. So there's the driver's side. Okay, so here is the LloydMatsStore.com website. This is where I ordered my mats from, and they have a whole lot of different ones, but I'm just going to show you what I did. I went to carpets, and then I went to this first one, Ultimate Custom Carpet Floor Mats for $89.90. They have more plush ones, like the one over here on the right that says Lux Carpet Luxury Floor Mats for $139. And then they have these other ones. They start going down in price down below. But I went for these first ones. So you can select and you can design. I'm going to click Design Your Mats. And I picked my car, which was a 2005. The make is an Acura. The model is a TL. And so from here you can pick if you want 4, 2, just the 2 fronts, just the 2 rear, or the trunk area. I went for just the 2 in the front because the ones I have in back are fine. I don't have a lot of people sitting in the back, so I just went for 2 fronts. So I did that, hit continue, and then I went with black. And after that, well, here, you know what? Let me go back. I might have went a little faster. So I picked black, but they've got ebony, gray, dark blue, burgundy, and sand. And I went for just black. So got this one and continue. And then I went to, I believe I just went for, yeah, this one right here, the colored fix for 33, the Acura, with the Acura logo with the Acura name right there. And that was it. So then I picked the 2, hit continue, and I went for just standard. So, and I'm happy with it. And that's about all I really need to show you from there. But they've also got all weather mats, which are good to have. Probably should pick some of those up someday, but for now I like the carpet. They have featured vehicles, they have a gallery, and oh, and these logos, they are actually authorized by the manufacturers to use these logos, so you don't have to worry about that. So this is it. This is where I got them from. I don't know how they compare in price to other companies because I didn't really shop too many. Once I found this site, I was happy with them and I just went with them. So that's it. That's about all I've got to show you. Until the next time, I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.